in this uptrend year, most people making $1,000 profit like this, just knowing the exact strategy. Are you curious how, and you also want to make profit and earn some money? Then you need to watch this entire video and I will show you how. Hi guys, welcome to my channel Financial Freedom. It's Dinara. On this channel I'm gonna teach you how to get financial freedom and make some serious money. What is required from you is just learning and being consistent on this. Before getting straight to the point, I would like to introduce you guys about the crypto market, as some of you guys might be new here today. Well, crypto market was born in 2018 when Bitcoin officially created in the world of the technology, mark a milestone in the financial investment industry worldwide. The good thing of the crypto market is it always increased the value. Let's talk about the Bitcoin, because this is the famous coin in the crypto world, and I think all people know about that. So that I'm gonna talk about the Bitcoin. You will get an idea what is the crypto market, what is the crypto coin. So Bitcoin was created in 2008 with the original price 0.0076 USD, but now it's priced nearly 50 something. I didn't check because it's all the time fluctuating the price. Well, as I mentioned it before, the good thing of the crypto market is it always increased in value. As you see, when Bitcoin was created, it was not the $1 now, but now one Bitcoin costs 50 something USD. So after the advent and explosion of the Bitcoin, over 2,000 of the other coins were born, mark a milestone of the crypto market era. And every sphere has their own experts on particular sphere, and in our world, in our crypto world, we also have some experts, and we also follow those experts, and according to their opinion, one Bitcoin price gonna reach 2,000 to 3,000 USD, one Bitcoin. Well, every 4 years Bitcoin price reaches the peak. For example, the first peak it was in 2012, and then second peak was the 2016. The next peak we were awaiting in 2012. Unfortunately, pandemic happened and it impacted every sphere, and it also impacted to the crypto world as well. So that it didn't reach the peak yet, but it's on the way reaching the peak. So and before getting the peak, it will go down once, and we are waiting at that dump. Actually, what calls in the crypto world, we call when it goes down, we call that dump, and we're waiting for that dump. Once it goes down, we're gonna buy, and we are waiting at the signal. So and on this sphere, you should be wise. For example, some people could be like, if they don't have the enough knowledge about this market, and those people, when they don't have the enough knowledge, they're gonna be on a panic when this is the risk. Of course, this is the risk, and when you don't risk, you don't know what would happen. So that business, this is the risk. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and turn on all the notification, and you will get notified every time when I post one of these brand new videos. Guys, as I told you before, every sphere has their own experts, and of course in our world, in our crypto world, we also have some experts. We also have the experts, and we follow those experts. Well, in this world, you should be wise and wait until the right time when our coins reach the peak, and then you can sell and take your profit, or still you're gonna hold it. If we take a look back to the history, 2020, Bitcoin price dumped to 3,600 something, and at that time those people who doesn't have the knowledge, who didn't believe that Bitcoin gonna go up, At that time, they on a panic they sell their Bitcoin, and most people bankrupted. So that on this business you should be wise and wait until the right time when your coin reaches the peak and when your coin raises, and then you can sell and get your profit. That was our okay. Yes, of course, business there is the risk. But if you don't risk, you don't know what would happen. Eventually, you will get the experience and you will know what to do and what not to do. In this video, more precisely, I'm going to talk about the USDT, which is the stable coin. Why is the USDT? Because this is the stable coin in the market, which is the stable coin in the market. I will show you how to buy, deposit, withdraw, and convert your coin to the other coin. Okay, you will have a question, why precisely the USDT? Let me introduce you more. USDT, this cryptocurrency, was designed to maintain the stability of the market price relative to asset which is pegged. The crypto market is always volatile price from trading, and that applies to every single cryptocurrency. So USDT was designed as a solution for that. For example, you have funds on your account and you don't want to trade for a while, or you just want to convert your funds to a stable coin. So the price movement wouldn't affect your balance much. And converting your funds to USDT is the best solution. And market volatility doesn't really affect to USDT. So that actually was designed to maintain the stability of the market price. Well, now I will show you everything, how to buy. Oh, I will actually in our company, I'm working in the business company actually. So okay, in our company, in our community, we mostly use the Binance. Nowadays, Binance is one of the biggest platform in the world, so that I also prefer to use Binance. Of course, I'm using the other platforms as well, but mostly basically I'm using the Binance. And today I will show you the other platform, like an exchange where you can buy on your own. And for example, yes, I can help you with the Vietnam market, how to buy some USDT, but I'm not able to help you if you are in the other country. So the best solution for that, I tried all platforms to buy on my own in order to show you guys and I only found the payer which is available to buy without any problem. Let's jump to my computer now. I will show you. So what would we do? What we do is now let's get into you know how to register, so I won't to explain about that is either thing. And I'm gonna leave of course there is some reference links which is not makes money through you, just this is the affiliate links. It would be good if you go through my links, so in the appreciation. Stick around, guys, and now we will buy. I will show you how to buy this. So the simple, basically what you need to do. This is the Payer electronic wallet. I tried a couple of the platforms to buy. The only thing which is easy to buy, I found the Payer so far. And now, as you can see, we are in my Payer account. We have here the balance. We go to the balance in order to buy USDT or whatever you want. First thing, you need to deposit the money to your account, and then you can exchange that money to coin. So guys, as you see, multiple accounts for every currency, for USD, for ruble, for euro, for Bitcoin. So now I'm going to deposit the USD. So I'm gonna press the button here, deposit, and as you see, it takes to this page, add. So here the thing how we gonna deposit our money. So first you need to choose the account. I'm going to deposit to my USD account. Here you're gonna choose it, and then you need to choose the system. It's up to your card. Either it could be the MasterCard, Visa card, and whatever payment you prefer. So you're gonna choose those one, and then here the amount, and the amount when you right here the amount, and of course the total here gonna be with the fee. So when you're gonna write the amount of the money what you need in the total bar, it's gonna show you with the fee. So you need to consider that fee gonna be around like $11 maybe. Once you complete everything, then you're gonna press the button add, and it takes you to this confirmation page. If you're doing the payment the first time, then they will ask you to do some additional confirmation. As I already used this account, so it's not like first time. I just need to fill in my card details, and that's all. Once you complete filling the every detail of your card, then you need to click the pay button. Once you complete, it says waiting payment, and for this process actually, I mean, like basically it takes like 5 to 10 minutes, maximum 10 minutes. It says, as you can see, it says payment is completed. Now I can go to the balance again, and you can see here you can see that my balance is already filled. So now what I'm gonna do is I already have money on my account, and now I need to exchange my dollar. I mean, like I need to exchange to USDT. So on the exchange, you have to select the account you have money. Well, on the first bar here, I'm gonna select the USD balance, and then what I'm going to exchange to the USD. So guys, you also can see the rate here. The rate shows this is the actual rate of the USDT at that time. So I have $203 in my account. Well, I'm gonna write this, and here you can see how much USDT I can. So for that amount, I mean like 203 USD, I can exchange to that amount. 198 USDT. It will show you. Now we're gonna click on exchange. Once you press the on the button exchange, it says, as you can see, it says the exchange successfully completed. It immediately completes. Now in order to check it out, we go to the balance again, and you will see that I already exchanged it, and there is no money on my USD account because I already exchanged to the USDT, and that the USDT amount exists. So now as you can see on my USDT account, I have 199 USDT. So guys, hope you get an idea about the crypto market and about the crypto coin on this video. Unfortunately, only those things lasted for like 15 minutes, maybe 13 minutes, and so that I decided, actually I had an intention to introduce you guys how to withdraw as well, but if I explain you how to withdraw, it takes a long time as well. So it could take a long time, like the one video could last like maybe up to 25 minutes. So that I decided to explain how to withdraw and convert. Actually, you have seen how to convert, even though I'm gonna show you in the next video how to convert and withdraw your money. Once you will learn how to withdraw, you can use that method. It works to any platform, so you don't need to, for example, every platform has the same working way. So once you learn how to withdraw, how to deposit, how to convert, how to buy coins, so it works for all platforms in the same way. Hope you liked this video, and I would be really grateful if you smash the like button. I tried for you guys. If you have any questions, leave your comments below in the description, and I'm gonna leave my reference links as well. So you guys, it would be good if you go through my reference links, because it's not making money through you, just I'm going to get some commissions from those reference links. So thanks a lot guys, see you next videos. Hope you like the video. Goodbye.